Hello there, park hoppers! Zena here with the second installment in our Disney DIY series. We are so glad that you have joined us. If this is your first time visiting our channel, we just want to say thank you for tuning in, and if you have visited us before, welcome back. So let's get right to it. Today's craft is perfect for you if you enjoy doing character meet and greets at the parks. Today's craft is going to be a handmade character autograph book. First, let's take a look at the materials that we'll need, and then we'll get right into how you can make your very own character autograph book. To make these autograph books, I picked up some small blank notebooks at my local craft store. So we're going to be using these as the base for our autograph book, and we'll use different materials to decorate them and to really make them our own. For some of the decorations, you might want to use some cardstock. We've got some craft scissors, a handy dandy glue stick. Also got some rolls of washi tape. Over here I have just a collection of some different types of stickers and letters that I have that you could use to decorate your character autograph book. And then in this tote bag I have all different kinds of embellishments, beads, little pom-poms, little borders and things. So there's really endless possibilities of the different things that you could use to decorate these notebooks. And again, you can use a soft cover notebook like this. You could use a hardcover type of sketchbook. Really, it's up to you how you want it to look, but we're going to take a look at these three notebooks, and we're actually going to use this one today to create a Minnie Mouse themed autograph book. Well, now that we have our supplies gathered together, let's take a look at how we can create our very own character autograph books. I wanted to share this one with you as just a simple sample of how you can kind of get your own character notebook started. This one, I used my Cricut air machine to create this Mickey Mouse cutout. If you have a Cricut machine, it really makes it simple to create different shapes. They even have a gallery of different Disney themed shapes and just different shapes in general that you can use to create cutouts that you can use to decorate a cover of a notebook like this. The inside is blank, which is nice because it gives you plenty of room for the characters to put their autographs in. And then you can even, and this is something that I'm thinking of doing, is once I take the pictures with the characters, is getting them printed and then including them in the book itself with the different autographs, so that I have the pictures and the autographs all in one place. And the one that we're going to create today will be Minnie Mouse themed. So let's take a look at the notebook that we're going to use for Minnie Mouse's character book. Here's the notebook that we're going to be using for the Minnie Mouse themed autograph book. I liked this one because it had polka dots all over it, which instantly made me think of Minnie Mouse. So I thought this would be perfect to do a Minnie Mouse themed cover. So what I've done is I've already cut out some additional Mickey heads using my Cricut machine. So I'm going to use a Mickey head for this cover, as well as a little bow that I cut out also on my Cricut machine. And so we'll be putting the bow and the Mickey Mouse head together to create a little Minnie Mouse head. And then what I've also done is I've made some cutouts spelling rock the dots, because as we know, Minnie Mouse rocks her dots. So we're going to arrange those onto the notebook as well, so that we can create a cover that is Minnie Mouse themed with the polka dots, the classic Minnie bow, and her mantra, rock the dots. And through the magic of editing, our autograph books are complete. Here's our Minnie Mouse Rock the Dots autograph book, complete with bow. And I even decided to make a third one. I had this other blank book that said "Make Today Amazing" on it already, and that made me think of one of my favorite princesses from Tangled, Rapunzel. I thought that that phrase really fits her character, and so what I did was I took some washi tape here with this gold pattern that really reminded me of the lanterns from the movie. And so I just did a strip of washi tape down the side just to give it a little bit of an accent. So I have that one there that I might use for autographs from the different princesses next time I visit the parks. So there's our final products. As I said, you can make these as simple or as elaborate as you'd like. You can use different materials, stickers, rhinestones, paper, and glue works fine too. The possibilities really are endless. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new to our channel and you enjoyed watching, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. We enjoy the interaction. We'll talk to you soon, Park Hoppers. Thanks for watching.